Have you ever felt that sinking feeling when you see another expensive repair bill? What if I told you that most car problems don't require a costly workshop visit? In today's video, we're diving into 10 car repair secrets that you can easily do at home, saving you over $2,000 every year. Imagine spending a few minutes with basic tools and everyday items, and instead of wasting money on additives, mechanics, or fancy service, you're taking control of your car's health. Whether it's resetting a maintenance light or keeping your headlights clear, these secrets have been tried and tested. So stick around until the end, because I've even got one simple repair hack that alone could save you an extra $500. Ready to become the master of your car's care and save a bundle? Let's jump right in. Tip 1. Skip expensive car additives. Let's start with a myth busted. Expensive car additives. Ever see those flashy bottles promising to clean your engine or make your car run like new? Most of these additives are unnecessary for modern gasoline engines since they already have built-in cleaning systems. In fact, if your car doesn't have specific issues, pouring money into additives is like buying vitamins you don't need. For diesel vehicles or older models running on subpar fuel, certain additives might help, but for most of us, skip them. Save your cash and rely on regular maintenance to keep your engine in top shape without the extra expense. Tip 2. Check and replace spark plugs on time. Next up, let's talk spark plugs. Those small yet mighty components that ignite your fuel and keep your engine running smoothly. Over time, spark plugs can become fouled or worn out, leading to a jerky ride, reduced power, and lower fuel efficiency. If you drive a vehicle with copper spark plugs, consider replacing them every 30,000 miles. For those with more modern iridium plugs, you might extend that interval to around 120,000 miles. Regular inspection and timely replacement can mean smoother acceleration and better mileage. Plus, new spark plugs ensure your engine breathes easily and runs at peak performance. So, mark your calendar, check your owner's manual, and keep those spark plugs in check to avoid unnecessary repair costs. Tip 3. Reset the maintenance light yourself. Ever get that annoying maintenance-required light on your dashboard? Don't rush to the mechanic. Resetting it is simpler than you think. Many cars trigger this reminder every 5,000 miles to prompt an oil change or checkup. Instead of paying for a reset, simply Google how to reset your car model maintenance light and follow the step-by-step guide. In many cases, it takes just 30 seconds. Alternatively, invest in an affordable OBD2 scanner for about $40 and take control of your car's diagnostics. It's like having an X-ray for your vehicle's health. Tip 4. Check the PCV valve now. Let's inspect a tiny yet essential component, the PCV valve. This small valve helps your engine breathe by preventing pressure buildup and limiting harmful gases. Over time, it can become clogged with sludge and oil deposits, leading to rough idling, increased oil consumption, and even engine sludge, like clogged arteries in your car's engine. To avoid costly repairs, check your PCV valve every 10,000 to 15,000 miles. A good PCV valve will rattle slightly when shaken. If it's silent or seems clogged, replace it immediately. This simple, inexpensive fix can save you thousands by preventing more severe engine issues down the road. Tip 5. Use the parking brake. When parking, it might sound trivial, but always using your parking brake, even on flat ground, can save you a lot of money. Many drivers believe the parking brake is only for hills, but it's essential for protecting your transmission. Inside the transmission, a small component called the parking pole holds your car in place. If you neglect to engage the parking brake, the pole bears the full weight of your vehicle, leading to premature wear and expensive repairs. A simple 2-second habit of pulling the parking brake every time you park can prevent transmission damage and potentially save you $1,000 to $1,500, or even more if a full repair becomes necessary. Tip 6. Maintain proper tire. Proper tire pressure is crucial for safety, fuel efficiency, and tire longevity. Driving with low or uneven tire pressure forces your engine to work harder, which not only burns more gas, but also leads to uneven tire wear and an increased risk of blowouts. Most cars have a recommended tire pressure between 28 and 36 psi, usually indicated on a sticker inside the driver's door or in the owner's manual. To keep your tires in peak condition, check your tire pressure at least once a month and rotate them every 5,000 miles for even wear. Consistently maintaining the correct tire pressure not only ensures a smoother ride, but also saves money on fuel and reduces the need for premature tire replacements. Tip 7. Don't overfill your gas tank. Ever been tempted to keep pumping gas even after the nozzle clicks off? Resist that urge. Overfilling your gas tank can harm your car's fuel system. When you continue to pump past the automatic shutoff, extra fuel may overflow into the vapor recovery system. This not only wastes money, but can also lead to system damage that costs hundreds in repairs. Trust your car's design. It knows exactly when the tank is full. So, when the pump clicks, stop immediately and enjoy the savings by avoiding unnecessary repair bills. Tip 8. Change oil and transmission fluid. On-time regular fluid changes are the lifeblood of your engine and transmission. Skipping oil changes is like ignoring a cavity. It may not hurt right away, but eventually the damage becomes expensive. For optimal engine performance, use synthetic oil if possible, and change it every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Transmission fluid is equally important. It ensures smooth gear shifts, prevents overheating, and prolongs transmission life. Depending on your driving conditions, aim to replace transmission fluid every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. Don't listen to the 10,000-mile oil change myth pushed by some dealerships. It's a money-saving trap. Regularly scheduled fluid changes can keep your car running smoothly and prevent costly repairs down the line. Tip 9. Change the engine air filter. Regularly, a clean engine air filter is vital for ensuring that your engine gets the fresh air it needs to run efficiently. Over time, dust and debris clog the filter, reducing engine performance and increasing fuel consumption. For optimal performance, check your air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles and replace it if it appears dirty or clogged. Driving on dusty roads, consider checking it more frequently. A quick, inexpensive replacement of the air filter not only improves your car's mileage, but also prolongs engine life. It's a simple maintenance task that can lead to a noticeably smoother ride and substantial savings on fuel costs. Tip 10. Check the coolant level. Last but certainly not least, never overlook your car's coolant level. Your coolant is essential for keeping the engine at the right temperature, especially during hot summer months or in heavy traffic. A low coolant level can lead to overheating, which in turn causes expensive engine damage. Make it a habit to check your coolant regularly, at least once a month, and top it off if needed, using the correct type specified in your owner's manual. Not only does proper coolant maintenance prevent engine overheating, but it also helps your heater work efficiently in winter. This quick check is an easy way to avoid potentially costly repairs and keep your engine running smoothly. And there you have it. 10 car repair secrets that can save you over $2,000 every year. From skipping unnecessary additives and keeping your spark plugs fresh, to maintaining proper tire pressure and monitoring fluid levels, these tips are all about empowering you to take control of your vehicle's maintenance. Imagine the money saved, the improved performance, and the peace of mind knowing your car is running at its best, all without an expensive trip to the mechanic. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with fellow car owners, and subscribe to our channel for more practical and honest car care advice. Drop a comment below to let us know which tip you're excited to try. Thanks for watching and drive safe.